Hola everyone, welcome back to another fishing adventure in around Barcelona. It's mid-November and I'm gonna try a top water, the Spro BBZ rat. I think that's the name, BBZ rat. I'm gonna try that for bass, but I have a contender, the Ilex Mouse. It's virtually the same. It goes a tiny bit deeper than the Spro rat and obviously it's smaller, but it's a crankbait, so it makes really big vibrations. To be absolutely honest with you, I prepared with a bunch of different lures because I haven't been out fishing for more than 3 weeks now because I was super ill, as probably you can still hear. It's nice to be outside finally, but I want to catch fish. Okay, it's not entirely true. I've been out once when I realized my kayak has a hole, so I was restricted strictly to try from shore, and this happened. Ooh. Yes! Oh, it feels like a better fish. Nice. Oh yeah, super duper nice. Beautiful Gordy. Wow. Yes. Oh, and that was it. The hook is already out. Let's get it back maybe. There's gonna be another one. Yes, it looks like the mouse got his first victim. Maybe the rat is too big for them right now. Oh yeah. Yes! Ooh, and this is a really nice one. I mean, it feels like they are just very... Oh no, we lost it. Ah! So on that day, the big rat didn't really work, but the small mouse, yes, it was absolutely fine. I had 2 bites, 1 fish, so that's great. But I felt so bad after that I had to go home. I'm gonna be super busy in the next couple of months with work, which is fantastic. But I don't know. I really don't know how much can I fish. I really don't know how much can I film. I really did miss filming, not just fishing, coming out fishing, but filming. So I think tough times are coming. But if you would like to show some support, please give me a like and consider subscribing. But anyway, let's finish talking about this and let's try to catch some fish. Oh, hey, first fish on the board. A tiny Gordy, but it came on the rat. Oi. Oh yeah, this is so much better. Oh yes. Ah, lost it. Hey, that's good. That's absolutely a great sign. So they are eating the rat. That's fantastic. Oh yes. Oh, nice one. Ah, that's so much better. Actually T-boned the rat lure. All right. Ah, finally. So cool. It's not the biggest ever bass, but hey, come on. Catching that on top water in mid-November. It's pretty fantastic. Let's get it back. So far, the rat is working. I'm gonna hit the tucked away corners with some vegetation and cover with the Spro rat. I'm gonna take the Ilex Mo mouse. I'm gonna try that in the more open areas. And if none of those is gonna work, like I said, I have a ton of other lure. I'll just keep trying. Ooh. What an incredible hit. It's not even that big. And again, T-boned it. That is like a really good hook set. Thanks for coming, Rodney. All right, let's swap to the mouse. Oh, there is something very tiny. Self-release, Gordy? No? All right. But hey, at least we're catching. Well, it very much looks like the test ended because I lost the mouse. And fortunately, I don't take this lightly because I really don't like poo-pooing any sort of brand. But this is a YGK braid. Everyone recommended it. I dare to disagree. It's very expensive. And it's the 6th or 7th or maybe the 10th time it fails on me. Somewhere around the reel, not even close to a knot. It wasn't even a big bird nest on or anything like that. I'm casting an 8-gram weight lure. I'm sorry, but it's not good. Oh, one thing I wanted to say. So it's not just this braid on this setup, which is a brand new rod, by the way. This is the Turinoya Dragon. It's called Versatile, and so far, oh yes, it's super versatile, very good. But I have 3 of YGK line braid on 3 of my setups. 2 of them are failing constantly. The thickest one is okay. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there. But that's enough of these. Let's try to catch more fish. Bit of good news. I thought I snapped the rod, but I didn't. The rod is absolutely fine. Yes, mwah. Good one. Okay. It was a long time ago when I caught something, so... Hey, Gordy. Ooh. Ah, that was a nice hit. My good perch. Yeah, baby! Haha! Well, it's not the best perch ever, but it's... Oh, I'm so happy about it. Huh. I'm gonna utilize my ruler here. 25 centimeter, not even a clicker, but it's a perch. Super happy about it. Thanks for coming. Maybe this day is going super slow, but look at that sunset over there. Ah, I really can't complain. So nice to be out here. There are a couple of fish as well. Ah! Oh, it's on. It's not big. Little perch. It's really just a little guy. But I don't care. Oh! Yes! Oh, that's a bass. Happy about it. Oh, I lost it. Oh, ah, that's a perch. Oh, come on, Gordy. Someone sort of 25-ish again. There we go. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. I wouldn't say that after missing 3.5 weeks, fishing welcomed me back with a big open arms. I think probably this was the last chance to catch something on top water this year, which is great because I managed to just nip something out of it. And I think today's winner is the rat versus the mouse. Unfortunately, lost the mouse. I'm happy to be back. I don't know when I'm gonna be making another video, hopefully very, very soon. If you liked what you see, please give me a like and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. Many thanks for stopping by and hopefully see you soon. Take care, adios, keep watching. I have many more videos for you and thanks again, bye.